Bernie Ray, February 27th, Canaan, Connecticut, video journal. Looking out on the terrace in the back, you can see some of the marble squares there under the piles of snow. And I'm going to pan to the bird feeder, and I think there's a cardinal up in the tree here that I'm going to try to zoom in on. And then I'll go back down to the bird feeder. Here they come. I'm sitting in the window and I'm not sure they like me sitting here. I'm going to try to stay as quiet as possible. That's our fairy tree out there that we hang canning jars, glass canning jars with candles in the summer and fall, and they light the yard in the evening. We'll have some shots of that later on when all this snow goes away. So we have a squirrel and a bird, and the snow is falling out of the trees. In the woods behind the house. Bye for now.